Welcome to Wonder Garden. Have you ever been captivated by the sight of an orchid bursting into vibrant bloom, only to wonder how to keep it flowering year-round, with large plump flowers as dreamed, and roots that keep growing long and healthy? When I first started, I too struggled to find answers to those questions. In that fascinating journey, I discovered a secret that I'm incredibly excited to share with you today. A secret straight from nature, helping our orchid pots not only bloom continuously with large, vibrant flowers, but also develop full, robust new roots that thrive vigorously. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Let's get started now. First, prepare some coffee. Yes, that aromatic morning drink of ours. Coffee isn't just a favorite beverage for many. It also contains essential trace minerals for plants like nitrogen, potassium, magnesium, and phosphorus, which stimulate growth and flowering. You only need to take 1 teaspoon of coffee and put it into a container. Then, pour in 500 milliliters of boiling water. Which country are you watching this video from? It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please hit the subscribe button to support me and not miss any orchid care tips. Cover it, and we'll let this mixture steep until it cools completely. Once the coffee is ready, we'll move to the second equally special ingredient, rice. Rice is an excellent source of carbohydrates, B, vitamins, and minerals, playing a crucial role in providing energy, boosting resilience, and promoting healthy root development for orchids. I'll use 5 tablespoons of rice this time. Add 300 milliliters of boiling water and let it cool completely as well. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. While waiting, I want to share a small habit I always maintain. This is a simple but essential step to ensure orchids absorb nutrients most effectively. Before each application of organic fertilizer, I usually water the plant with plain clean water first. Do you know why? This not only moistens the potting medium, but also wakes up the plant's roots. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. When your plant's roots turn silvery white like this, it's a sign your plant needs watering. When the medium is moist, the orchid's roots become soft and ready to absorb nutrients more efficiently, avoiding shock from fertilizers or absorption blockages. This is a small habit, but it makes a big difference. After 2 hours, when the coffee water has cooled, I'll stir it well and filter out the coffee grounds. After removing all the grounds, I'll dilute this coffee solution with 500 milliliters of water. With the cool, diluted coffee solution, use a soft cotton pad or clean cloth soaked in this solution. Then, gently wipe both the top and bottom of each orchid leaf. Why do we do this? Regularly wiping leaves not only removes dust, but is also highly effective in preventing mold and harmful insects hiding on the leaves. A clean leaf allows stomata to open fully, enabling the orchid to photosynthesize better, absorb light, and convert energy most efficiently. Additionally, coffee helps quickly heal minor leaf damage. In particular, as I mentioned, coffee is rich in nitrogen, a key factor for plant growth. Nitrogen helps leaves grow lush, thick, and vibrant. Moreover, coffee's natural antibacterial properties help repel some common pests. Maintain this habit 1 to 2 times a month to protect and keep your orchids fresh, glossy, and full of vitality. Method 2. After caring for the leaf surface, we'll use the remaining coffee solution to provide deeper nourishment for the orchid. Pour the cooled coffee water into a clean spray bottle. Then, mist evenly over all the leaves and roots of the orchid. Ensure both leaf surfaces and root strands are covered with a thin mist. This misting method works similarly to using specialized foliar fertilizers. The coffee solution provides nutrients in an easily absorbable form, allowing the orchid to take them in quickly through leaf surfaces and roots. In particular, with the potent antioxidants in coffee, this natural fertilizer helps your orchids boost resilience, creating a natural armor to protect comprehensive growth from roots to stem to leaves. Not only that, it also promotes bud formation and helps flowers bloom vibrantly and last longer. Perform this misting every 2 weeks. The ideal time is early morning, so by midday when the sun rises, the leaves and roots are dry, avoiding water pooling that could cause fungal diseases. Once the rice water has completely cooled, stir it well, then filter out the residue, keeping only the clear liquid. Next, slowly pour this rice water into the remaining coffee solution. When combining coffee and rice, we create a nutrient-rich and highly effective solution for orchids. Finally, add 500 milliliters of water to dilute this miraculous solution. Method 3. Pour this mixture into a dedicated watering can for convenient care. Then, water directly at the base of each orchid. Water evenly, ensuring the solution gradually soaks into the potting medium. The combination of coffee and rice provides an incredibly rich nutrient source. This solution is packed with minerals and organic compounds, particularly high in nitrogen, potassium, and magnesium, essential nutrients critical for the healthy, comprehensive development of orchids. Not only does it help the plant grow sturdy, this special meal also stimulates orchids to bloom earlier, with more vibrant and longer-lasting flowers. Water every 1 to 2 weeks this way to maintain optimal growth. And especially, once a month, you can treat your orchids by soaking the entire pot in this fertilizer solution for about 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, gently remove the pot and place it in a spot with ample scattered light. This helps the orchid photosynthesize and metabolize nutrients more effectively, maximizing what we've provided. Now, let's admire the real results after applying these natural care methods. After just 3 weeks of consistent application, miracles appeared. Many new roots sprouted on my orchid pots. You know, the root system is the foundation of a plant's survival. These new roots not only help the plant absorb water and nutrients from the environment more efficiently, but are also crucial for comprehensive development, especially during the pre-blooming phase. Healthy roots stabilize the plant, reducing the risk of toppling, particularly for large plants or in harsh weather conditions. The vigorous growth of new roots signals that the plant is in excellent health, often triggering explosive development in other parts like leaves and especially flowers. Although roots don't directly photosynthesize, they supply water and nutrients to leaves, where the vital photosynthesis process occurs. A well-developed root system ensures the plant has enough energy to grow and bloom vibrantly. Moreover, roots participate in respiration, supplying oxygen to cells, which is critical for the plant's vitality. And look, my orchids with healthy roots have produced so many buds. When the flowers bloom, they're not only bright and plump, but also stay on the stem much longer before wilting, offering lasting beauty. I truly hope the insights shared in this video have provided you with valuable information and fresh inspiration for your orchid care journey. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below to share your thoughts about this video. I'm eager to hear your stories and experiences. Thank you for watching. Wishing you beautiful orchid pots and much success in life and gardening.